Hi guys, it's Ala. Welcome to my YouTube video. And look at this. Today I'm doing a very special video where I'm going to be trying 4 different cookie flavors, which are literally the best of the best. And you're gonna eat it with me together and I'm gonna rate it for you and explain to you what type of fillings are in each cookie. Now, and I'm not just sharing this just for fun so you can see, watch me eat cookies. This is my brand new course that's coming out in November and it's a mega stuffed cookie course. I'll be showing you a bit more about how these look and what this means. Mega stuffed cookies are basically cookies filled with a lot of gooey, different types of fillings inside and a really crispy, chewy outside. So it's like a giant cookie. It's more like a dessert. I will categorize that as a dessert. And because I love dessert so much, I could not go about not doing this trend, okay? This is the trendest, hottest trend of 2024, 2025 going in. And a lot of bakers are doing this everywhere. And a lot of people are selling these cookies and shipping them to different cities. So today, let's test my own cookies. Let's open this up. And let me see which flavors. I've got 4 delicious flavors over here. And I don't know which one to start with. Over here, I've got Biscoff, which is very popular, and Raffaello Chocolate, or Red Velvet Cheesecake, and Pistachio. Oh my God, it's a very hard choice, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I think I'm gonna start with this one. So you can package it just like that. Look at that. So cute and adorable. And what I love about this is that this is such a hot trend. It's so easy to make. These can be frozen and you can sell them or make them for the holidays. Let's open this up. And by the way, guys, just look at that. Can you see the smell is amazing? I am doing a free webinar on these cookies where I'm going to explain to you what these are, how to make them, what ingredients you need, what tools do you need, everything in detail for you to really understand if this is something for you. But I want to tell you one thing, if you're a cookie fan, this is definitely for you. But if you're a dessert lover, and you like different flavors and you like smaller desserts where you can just kind of share, this cookie is probably perfect to share between 2 people. And if you're, a little bit greedy, we won't tell anybody, you can eat it yourself, which is also okay, which I'm about to do. Well, I probably won't eat the whole 4 cookies. I'm gonna explode, but I'll definitely show you. Oh, I can't even cut inside them. That's the whole effect. When you cut them once they're warm and it's all oozing out, but still, we're gonna get them on. So yeah, get onto the webinar. Just put your name and email and I will see you at my webinar, which is completely free. And I'll tell you everything you need to know about these and how to make these and how to make money selling these or how to make them and prep for the holiday season so you can surprise all your family and friends and guests and everybody who's coming to see you. Unless you're going to be alone watching Netflix. In this case, just make cookies for yourself too. Why not? Right, I think I'm going to start with this flavor. Let me show you. Look at that. Ooh, this is Biscoff White Chocolate Lotus. I'm going to make a mess in here, but I'm going to put this box on my lap so that any cookies that fall through, at least they're gonna go down here. But I do want to show you, I'm gonna make you come closer to me. Ha 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 ha. So you can really see. I mean, you don't have to see my face so much, but okay, you guys ready? Oh, look at that. Oh, it's good. I put a box in there. Look at this filling. Look at that. The chocolate is actually still staying melted in there, which is amazing. Okay, let's give this a try. Oh my God. That is so delicious. I apologize for eating on camera. If you don't like the sound of somebody eating, probably not a good video to watch. It's just trying to get in focus here. Unbelievable. It's got the Biscoff White Chocolate. Delicious. Moist and crunchy cookie. Wow. That is so good. Woo! Next, we have guess what this is. Raffaello Chocolate. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna break this in half. Oh, what's falling? Wow, look at that. Look at that coconut filling. It looks still so moist inside. And that's a whole Raffaello in there. So this is where I'm gonna bite. Look at that. Oh my God, look at that oozy filling. Literally oozing out. We're making such a mess. That is a pure. Apologies. If you like coconut and chocolate, this is like you going to paradise. I don't know, Mexico, or some sort of Caribbean. Oh my God, that's so good. Wow. Okay, I don't even know. I think I'm gonna rate them all as 10s. Okay, I'll give Biscoff the 10 because I really love Biscoff. The coconut and chocolate, I feel like I would have to be in the mood for that. So I'll still give it a 9. 9 out of 10. Wow, that is so good. But if you like chocolate and you like coconut, it's gonna be a winner. Second box of trying the cookies. I can do this. I promise. Isn't this adorable? I just love opening boxes with cookies. I don't know about you guys, but this could be used as a decor, you know, festive decor. Look at that. That's fancy. Okay, let's see what we've got here. Oh, pistachio and red velvet cheesecake raspberry. I didn't want to ruin it for you, you know, surprise. Oh gosh, okay, I'm gonna go for the red velvet cheesecake. I'm gonna show you. As always, I'm gonna keep the box down here. Look at this red velvet cookie. Red velvet, white chocolate. There is actually a huge surprise in there. So I don't know. Oh, let's see. It's obviously hard to break them. Oh, but you can still see all of that. Look at that raspberry cheesecake in there. Oh, wow. I'm gonna go for this one because it's got like a lot of filling here. Oh, don't know if you can see. Wow. That is insane. Can you see that? Can you see this? This is unbelievable. It's got nice, sharp, sour taste of the raspberry with creamy cheesecake and then a crunchy chocolatey cookie. Oh my God. I mean, it's red velvet cookie, so it's kind of chocolatey. Wow. I told you I'm going to be eating in this video and I'm going to be probably very messy. So stay with me. Oh, last cookie. Last cookie. Oh, look at this. Pistachio. Oh my God. Wow. This is pistachio overload. Oh my God. Now I'm sorry, but hello. Look at this. Look at this filling. Look how incredible this looks. I don't know about you guys, but I've just become obsessed with everything pistachio. And it's got white chocolate. It's got pistachio ganache in there and more pistachio on top. I'm going to have to just go for it. Oh my God. Okay. This is like the best. Like I said, I've just been obsessed with pistachio. So I really wanted to create something that I'll be obsessed with. Oh my God. That's my new favorite. Wow. That is, I'm sorry, an orgasm. Wow. Well, guys, I can officially say that is the best cookie I've ever had in my life. Almost like 100 out of 10. So I think pistachio is my favorite. It's definitely number 1. The cheesecake Raspberry, I really like the uniqueness. I would probably give it like 8 out of 10. I'm not a big fan of red velvet, but this one is obviously mine, so it's different. But I would give it 8 out of 10. So my favorite will be pistachio, then Biscoff, then Raffaello, and then red velvet. And now, I guess my boyfriend's gonna eat the rest. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, watching me trying different types of cookies. If you enjoyed it, let me know. I might record a few more flavors that I'm gonna be baking and testing out and experimenting. And don't forget, I'm doing the free webinar. So just put your name and email, and I'll see you at the free webinar, and I'll tell you more about these cookies and how you can learn to make them. And hopefully I'll see you at my course. And yes, enjoy. Bye.